Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Driven Dave. I'm joined by Driven Mom here in the car. And just kind of wanted to give a little update. My mom was asking, like, hey, what's the situation on your AutoPilot? And I had a lot of questions about that at work, too, because my friends watch my videos, which I appreciate. Or maybe they just enjoy laughing at my misfortune. Again, I appreciate that, too. And so here's the deal. I was complaining in my last video, or whatever video it was, that my AutoPilot had stopped working. And so that was due to the rains. Water basically got into the little blinker assembly, which houses the camera on the side. And now, as you can see, all of the cameras are working. So this is the one that went out. And the fix for it is actually, like, Tesla's going to come to my house and fix it this coming Monday, which is great. I actually had to reschedule it because I had some other unpleasantness going on that I basically just couldn't have them come the day that they wanted to. So they were going to come last week, but instead they're going to come this coming week, and they're going to replace, they call it a repeater, and I guess that's a Tesla for camera. But that's how that's going down. But thankfully, I was able to park the car in the sun. I think it was able to dry out whatever moisture was kind of shorting out the camera, and then it came back on. So I was only, thankfully, without my auto steer and cruise control for, probably about 12 hours, which was great. I mean, and I know a lot of you are saying, oh, you poor baby. I know that must have been hard. Yeah, you're right. It was. Poor me. Wah. But I really missed having these features with the kind of miles I'm putting down. And also, for what I paid for this car, I expect that stuff to work. And so I'm happy to say they're coming to fix it, but the functionality did return. So if you have any questions on this, or if you just want to drop a comment and say, I'm so happy for you, that would be just fine. And if you have one of these, if you've had that experience as well, let me know. I'd be really curious. I understand it has been somewhat common on Model 3 and Model Y to get some moisture in the passenger side repeater, and I don't know what that's all about. I don't know if it's a design flaw, or maybe they're buying these cameras from China, and maybe a few of them are defective or something. So that's my guess. They probably just got some cheap, crappy parts and decided to throw them on, and there's the result. But I don't know. So anyway, drop a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, do me a favor, hit that button down there. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, stay driven. Bye.